Yeah, yeah. We just started. I don't know, maybe I don't know, maybe an onion? Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's not. Oh! Shit, leave you looking funny, raindrops on your cheek, but you gotta keep it sunny. Teeth fucked up, don't matter, homie, keep smiling. Feet fucked up, don't matter, get another mile in. Sweating from the pressure, it'll never let you catch a break, but a break, and the answer left her. You, what you about to do? Fuck it up. Hit him with the deuce and the smirk. Okay. Hate on the man, but they fucking with the work. Leave their face looking all skirt. My skin mesh well with the dirt. Ain't no point without perp. Ain't no growth without hurt. May need to hold a couple L's just to realize what it worth.
I ain't trying to be safe, I ain't trying to be praying. Ain't no clock on my watch, buzz a beater when I play. Black Mamba with the fade. Why you smiling in my face? Can you not see the pain that we got tucked away? Smoke and mirrors about to break off. Steady waiting for a day off, but you know it's gonna take time. Put another record out and blow it every time. They don't even care till we sign. Woe is we only going one direction like Zayn Malik. I don't even care what they say to we unless they pay a fee. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, ayy. Praise coming down on me.
Boys had 1 God, 2 God, 3 cars. How many times? I should've been dead with twice over. 1 God. I might even fade for the night over. 2 God. I could be dead walking the corridor. 3 God. First name basis with the coroner. 4 God. In the whip, whippy, slippy, dippy, tippy, rippy, trippy. Clean from the scene where Millie gets slit wrist. Now get this. Impact made. I hopping out of skate on me, ain't that crazy? Not even a stain on me. Lately been feeling like Luke Cage. Bullet through my back, it's a good day. Least when I die, I had a good race. Least now I know booty got good taste. In the morning, you ain't mourning my body. Meaning never wanna be involved with this party.
Giddy up, this bitch bout to throw you back and forth. Saddle up, get a grip before you lose support. Hold it down, ain't nobody that can stop all this force. Settle down, this not for those who cannot ride the course.